So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum inside of your first home savings account here on Wealthsimple Trade or your FHSA. And if you don't have an account for Wealthsimple and you want to sign up, go ahead and use this referral link right here on the screen. It's also down below in the description of this video. When you use this link signing up, you get some free money, I get some free money, and you also get entered to win in $1 million home as shown here. So that's pretty neat. But go back to the home screen, go to the bottom, press on the magnifying glass, and go to the top and type in ticker symbol ETHX, and then press the top one, ETHX.B, if you want it in Canadian dollars. So once you're here, go to the bottom left and press on select an account. Make sure that your FHSA or your first home savings account is selected. Then go to the bottom right and press on buy. Once you're on this page, you can type the amount of shares you want to buy. So in this case, one share is this much. If you wanted to do a fractional buy of $5, press this, press $5, and it'll show you how many shares that is. So if you want to proceed to the next step, press on review. And if all looks good to you, you want to proceed with the transaction, go to the bottom. In my case, press on queue order or press on buy, and then finalize the transaction that way. So very, very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can buy Ethereum inside of your first home savings account here on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.